Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dion. We start here with chapstick. This is the crazy troll nation of YouTube. The crazy because I'm hella entertaining. I do curse sometimes on my channel, so I hope that's not offensive. The troll just making fun of the beauty community, that everything needs to be perfect. Here is self-acceptance, self-love, embrace your features, enhance them if you want to. We love to play in face paint, but don't feel like you need to do certain things to look a certain way. So that's the basic concept of the crazy troll nation. And I will, you know from the title what this is about, and I'll show you what else we do here on this channel. First of all, I want to show you, I put batteries in my little lights. So look at this, light, boom. Don't I look like I'm glowing? All right, yeah, let me get with it. So this is Friendmas in February collab with the Classic Beauty Goddess on IG, and she's the Beauty Goddesses. I believe that's the name of her page here on YouTube. Both will be linked down below, and you have this information already because this is our 4th day. Okay, so you should have seen the first, second, and third video by now. So this video, as I said with the first tutorial we did, we don't have the same palettes, but when I looked online at the colors of her palettes, I'm like, okay, I think I can dupe that with this. Granted, sometimes I do have problems with color perception. Granted, things sometimes do look different online, but I'm thinking we can get close, and I thought this would be interesting for you to see similar looks with, see, now I need to sit like this so that the light's even. Anyway, distracting myself. Yeah, seeing similar looks with different palettes, I thought it would be interesting, and she also thought that would be interesting as well. And I'm also using new brushes today. The BH Cosmetics Christmas brush set they had, the pink ones that I showed, yeah, I did, when I had also got the lit list. And so I used them for my face today, for the powders, highlighters, and for the powder I use for contour, and to set my face with. And everything will be listed below as far as products. And I'm going to use their eyeshadow palettes, their eyeshadow brushes today with this look. This will be my first time using the eyeshadow brushes except for these two. So for right now, I'm sorry, she's using the Ofra by Samantha palette, and I'm duping out colors with the Natasha Denona Lila palette. And I will show you the colors I'm using. You know, let me do that now and do swatches now before I forget. And plus with this flat going back and forth. So I'll be using Per Se. I'll also be using Helio, Amethyst. So rich, so rich. And Amara. So these are the 4 shades I'll be using for this look today. This is Per Se, this is Helio, this is Amethyst, and this is Amara. I think I figured out how to flip my camera. Well, to flip the focus. So if you can read this and it's not backwards to you, because right now it looks backwards to me, so I'm thinking this is the right way to you. How long did it take me to figure that out? How long have I had this new phone? So anyway, I just figured it out like last night, and I was so excited. So now I can show you things, and it actually shows up the way where you guys can read it. Me not say, I know it's backwards on your end. I need to just jump into this. I'm gonna start with one eye and edit out on the other eye just to save time. For right now, I am gonna put NYX Retractable Eyeliner in deep purple on my lower lash line. So that'll already be there for when we place shadow under here. And I'm thinking maybe I should have put the gold, because I don't know what shadow I'm putting under here. But this right here, that's what I'm thinking about, because it's the boldest color that we're using. Megan did send me her look, and you saw it in the thumbnail. So I'm going to try to channel my inner goddess and do a nice, beautiful, soft, classic look. I love her looks. I really do. We're going to see what happens. So Fenty eyeshadow primer. And I'm going to edit this part out of the video. We're going to blend this out with the BH Cosmetics flat shader brush. Shadow or shader? Shader. Flat shader brush. And I know it's too far for you to see it. Can you see that? And it's blurry. No, you cannot. I'm trying. I'm just so excited that I figured out how to get things to show up on your end where you can read it. My second time using this brush, I think I used it for this purpose yesterday. I was playing around with an IG challenge look, and yeah, it didn't turn out too well. It was even beyond trollness, and so I actually just deleted the content. I deleted the video, and so for once I'm going to practice that look for that challenge, because usually I'll just be like, oh, we're just going to experiment and see what happens. But it was just I kicked that thing off the troll train. I'm like, you are not even worthy to be on this ride. It was really bad, y'all. It was horrible. But so I'm trying to get a feel for this. I don't know. I might like it better for concealer. Now we'll see. So the first shade we're going to take, we're going to take Helio, and that's going to go on our inner corner. I told you I'm trying to channel my inner goddess. This is angled crease brush. I'm like, where's the shadow? I am tripping. And we're going to, ooh, I forgot how soft these shadows were. And this is just going to go right here. This would be nice. Oh, okay, where is it? I am tapping off, but this time I did not. This would be nice, like all over the lid, just for a nice subtle wash of color. If you're my skin tone. If you were darker than me, I do think this would really pop on your skin tone. And if you're lighter than me, it'll be a lighter wash of color. More of there, not there, but add, you know, just a little bit of shimmer. But either way, this is a beautiful color. It's a beautiful shade. And I forgot I was supposed to be editing out. I'm yammering again. You know what it is? I'm excited for this look, because when she told me that she had did it, I was like, oh, so then I got all excited. We're going to take Amethyst because it's a metallic and this is a metallic. And we're going to take the angled crease brush. Y'all know I like my angled brushes. And we're going to put that on the rest of our lid. Okay, this is going to be darker than her look. I'm going to go lightly. You know, because this color is so rich. That's what it is. But it's beautiful. I don't know if I should put that in the outer corner. I'm going to just take this all the way over and then figure out later if I'm going to put something else, sorry for smacking, in the outer corner. And we're going to just sweep in between to blend. Well, actually, I'm going to just pull this over because there's residual shadow on the brush. So I'm going to go over top of that first shade and just feather outward to get a blend instead of going back and forth, because when I started to do that, this brush didn't want to do that. And I'm not used to brushes not doing what I want them to do. You know, it looks like a nice blend. It's not wanting to go back and forth like I normally do. So we're just going to feather it. And we're going to windshield wiper to just blend that up a little bit. Okay. I'm going to edit out doing the same thing on this eye. This is what we're working with. This is applying the shadow, but it's not blending the way I want it to blend. This is my second time using this brush. Yesterday I did use it to blend out concealer, I think, or something, or to put on a matte paint pot or something, and it worked well for that. But for this, like, I don't know. I think this blend right here is okay. And if not, we're going to pretend that it is. So now we still have Amara and Per Se. We're going to take this into our transition area. That's Per Se. And we're going to use what they say is the blending brush. I'm not excited about this brush. But the set was on sale for $7. It was normally $14 and it was half off. So I can't be too upset That placed that nicely. Yeah, $7 for a 12-piece brush set, and it came with a bag. So you can't be upset about that. And even for $14, I wouldn't have been upset, but I wouldn't have got it just because, for no reason I can think of, I just never had my eye on BH Cosmetics brushes. Oh, I did sell the lit list on Macari, and that link would be down below. That sold overnight. I posted it one day, and the next day someone bought it, and I'm like, wow, like, okay. And that was half off as well. That was like $7.25. That is nice. This is nice. All right, so that leaves us with Amara. So we're just going to put this on the lower lash line. I kind of want to deepen. My corner or something, but okay, let's just take Amara. This is the round smudge brush. I thought it said shader. So I put it on, I tapped off, and we are going to, and I'm putting the brush sideways instead of using the tip of it, because this will help blend and buff at the same time, I'm hoping. Yep, it did what I wanted to do. Now I'm taking the tip. It always looks like it's a gap like right here. To me it does. I'm taking the tip and just going back and forth. I'm going to take it on the side again to bring it down a little bit further. Okay, I like that. I like how that looks. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to edit this part out. This side doesn't look like a gap, but to me it looks like a gap right here, and I think it may just be how my eyelashes are in that one place or something. Because I am sweeping where the gap is, and it still looks like it's there to me. I still want to do something else. This could be your finished look, but I need to add some troll to this. This is my classic beauty goddess look. We're going to troll it up. We're going to take, and I don't even know if this is going to be a mistake, and you guys know I experiment here. We're going to take the base shadow brush, and we're going to go into, the same shade Amara. This might be a mistake, but y'all know we just do stuff here. And I went straight in, tapped off, and I'm just going to feather it in. Is that even showing up? I think it is. I tapped in again. Oh, okay. I'm excited. I like it. We're going to leave that just like that. Just a little bit. You see how that just changed? Okay, this is this side. Look at this side. Yeah. All right, so just a tiny bit. I went in, tapped off, and we're just lightly feathering. We're not going heavy. So this will be my classic goddess troll look. So we got the classic goddess going on, and we got a little bit of troll in the outer corner. I like this. A little bit more, tiny bit, because I don't want to overdo it, and I don't even know if it looks the same. But the blend, this palette, y'all, you see how these colors just blended? I never used this brush before now, so I was really taking a chance. But you see how these shades just blend together? You see that? This is an easy palette. We are done with this look. I'm gonna do mascara. That's super easy. We're gonna take, because we have like the purple theme thing going on, we're gonna take Miss Merlot, which is this shade. This is a Fenty Stunner. It's a burgundy-ish color. I think it is described. How come I'm having problems talking? It's described as a, let me just shut up, because I still can't get it out. It's described as a burgundy, I believe. Whatever color Merlot is, for those of you who drink that wine. That's the color of this mascara. I forgot I was cooking chili. It's been simmering now for a while, and I haven't stirred it in a while. I have it on a little below the low setting, and I don't even smell it, so I know it's not burning. How did I forget I was cooking? That's how people's houses be catching on fire. That happened to somebody I knew. They were cooking something, and then they ran out to the store and left the stove on, When they came home, the fire department was there. I was just like, oh my gosh, it was bad. And I had only heard about that in movies. You know, you leave your stove on by accident and go out and then the kitchen catches on fire. Here's the question. What are we going to do for lips? The first thing we're going to do for lips, I feel like I'm talking so loud. Do I want to do a bold lip? Do a troll lip? I'm going to put on a gloss, but it is this one. This is MAC's Grand Illusion Glossy Liquid Lip Color, and this is Queen's Violet, and I got this down at the CCO, which if you don't know is a cosmetic company store, and it's usually just for a particular brand. And so this one is the Estee Lauder brand. So all the cosmetic names under Estee Lauder are sold in that store. And things are always at least 40% off, some 70% off. And I think I got this for 12 or 13 bucks. So we're still going a little soft for me, but colorful. Did I do a good job, Megan? Did I channel you properly? I think this is too reddish for the eye look. So what do I want to do about it? What can I do about it? I'm gonna try to darken it with, but this will just make it shinier if I put this gloss bomb on top of it. I'm feeling like this lip is not really working. I'm gonna put the gloss bomb on top of it and hope that it deepens it a little bit. And I know you guys are like, it's fine, just leave it the way it is. This is not gonna darken it. It's just gonna make it more shiny. Because that's what glosses do, right? Hashtag Dion tried it again. All right, well, this is what we're working with. Yeah, that didn't work at all. But this is what we have. This is the look. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think, and you will see me and Megan in the next video. Don't forget to check her out. Her info is down below. Thank you, Megan, for this Friendmas in February. It is a lot of fun. I do think we're both a little crazy though, but this is a lot of fun. And you will see me and you'll see her in our next videos.